My name is Rajesh Sharif. I'm the CEO and founder of Pharma Trust. Essentially what we want to do is secure the pharmaceutical supply chain so it's not infiltrated with fake goods. Fake pharmaceuticals kill about 1 million people a year according to the World Health Organization, and it's a $200 billion industry out of a $1.3 trillion pharmaceutical industry. So essentially what we do is we track products from the point of production to the point of consumption, and that allows us to make sure other products are not infiltrating the supply chain. But that also allows us to have a lot of data, and that data we provide to customers like ministries of health, regulators, as well as the pharmaceutical industry, and even NGOs. Our system is a truly global system. So we can work in the developed countries by installing an API in the ERM systems of our clients and logistics providers. But in the developing world, we have a system of apps which allows customs officers, logistics providers, pharmacies and hospitals to be able to scan the labels and know whether they're a legitimate medicine or not. So we can essentially work just as well in the Sudan as we can in Italy or Spain or France. And that is what really differentiates us from other companies in this space. Because we're on the blockchain, we can actually use it to make sure different entities see different information. So a pharmaceutical supply company might not want the manufacturer to see certain information, or the regulator might need to see some information, they might not need to see commercially sensitive data. Our system can provide those parties an assurance to do that. The manufacturers like us because we can give them that security of the data and control over their data. I mean, one of the paranoias, of course, many industries, including the pharmaceutical, is they don't want sensitive data to leak out. So we, of course, allow them to be able to control what data they have. And of course, the efficiency. I mean, our system is so cost effective compared to anything out there on the market. So having a cost-sensitive solution like ours is very important to them to protect their margins. And of course, because we're a global system, they know they can work in manufacturing plants in the developing countries and sell to developed countries rather.